once they have asked this question, code of conduct, code of ethics, and let's keep, then it becomes important. So rather 2 times they have asked. Once they ask this code of conduct, then once they ask the civil service code. I guess it was asked in 2013 or 14 itself. This even if let's say they do not ask, so they have their application in your case studies. We try to know, it helps also in understanding about civil services. So that also it becomes basis. And by this, thereafter we'll also talk, by this way we'll also talk this neutrality. After this, we'll talk, so a bit of civil services reforms which government has taken. Since they have not been mentioned in syllabus, but you should know, you must know all of them. In fact, we have been expecting it is just a matter of time when they will ask this question. I think they are waiting that when we will stop asking this question. So at times it happens, let's say, so they want we should stop asking, then they will ask. So मॉक टेस्ट से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन मैच होता है, इसलिए कि मॉक टेस्ट वो देखते नहीं है. Mock test is prepared towards end. This is what we have our record, I will tell. So mock test is prepared towards end, near the main examination. They do not see that paper. So we have, let's say, from mock test more questions are matched. In fact, at times we know that basically in optional we have, so they cannot read our mock test. Yes. Because they have an understanding about the papers made in market. Yes. So that's why they frame their questions in a very different way. And prelims also, it is also, prelims also, so they can make it in a very different. Anyhow, it's not key how long they will avoid it. So neutrality, anonymity, conduct rules, knowledge you should have about conduct rules. Before we begin our knowledge related to conduct rules, first we'll try to write simply the difference so that in beginning itself you know what is code of conduct when we say and what is code of ethics. Second thing is that when we are talking code of conduct, code of ethics, we talk for civil services. Nothing else, because both topics are mentioned about probity in governance and civil service values. This you have to understand. So it should be in mind, so we don't have to tell it that, we don't have to tell it is for civil services. They are for civil services.